Hola, me llamo Señor Arthur-DEMOOR, and bienvenidos a mi clase. I'm so excited to have you here in my classroom. If you didn't catch that first little bit of Spanish, it says, welcome, my name is Señor Arthur-DEMOOR, and I'm so happy for you to be here again. A little bit about me. This is my 10th year teaching. I've been teaching everything from middle school all the way up to high school, and so I'm really excited to be able to teach some online courses with you. I have studied abroad extensively through going through to Spain as well as Mexico for my graduate work. When I'm not here, I love to travel. I think it's a really great opportunity for me to explore new things. I love learning new things all the time. So a couple of things on my bucket list are kind of combine that would be I want to learn another language. I'm really fascinated with Arabic as well as Japanese, so I would be hopeful to learn those a little bit more. I also would love to take a year-round cruise and be able to go to different ports of call and learn about their culture and learn their language as well. I also am an avid baseball spectator. I love going to baseball games. I've been playing baseball ever since I was a little girl. Not softball, but baseball. And so anytime a good baseball game's on, I am sitting down watching that. And if I have time, I would be knitting as well. Something a little bit about the class. It's online, so you're going to be doing reading, writing, speaking, listening all through the power of technology now. So the big important thing is if you have any questions, please let me know. Email me, set up a time to teleconference. I'm here for you. And if you see the poster right up here, it says Si se puede. That means you can do it. And I have absolute faith in you. Please, I'm so excited to have you in my class. So please contact me if you have any questions. Gracias. Adios.